Hello everyone, hope you're all doing well. So guys, do you want to know about Carbon 2 Cobalt reviews? So here we are going to update you with this unbiased review in this video. So please stay connected with us. Also, if you wish to buy any product from this site, then please do watch this video. And if you've already experienced any fraud over this website, or if you have not received the product or got a damaged product, then please do watch this video till the end so that we can show you the way to get your money back. So please stay tuned with us. People from the United States are very curious to know about this site. So guys, make sure to watch the full video and do not skip any part of it. Now we are going to discuss about the website's type and the products they deals with. So this website is an online shopping site which deals with clothing products. They offer both men's and women's clothing, so you can check their products out by visiting to their official site. So next, if you want to know about their payment method, you have to go to the shipping and handling page section. So here they have given it. So they have mentioned that this website accepts Visa, MasterCard and Discover, and also American Express as well. So now guys, if you want to know about the shipping policy, for that also you have to go to the shipping and handling. So here they have given it. So they mentioned that the processing timing is 1 to 2 days, and there are two shipping methods. One is standard and the other is ground. So under standard shipping, it takes 5 to 9 business days, and under ground shipping, it takes 3 to 5 business days. But guys, before going further, it is requested from you all to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And also please do share your viewpoints in the comment section. Now let's talk about the alleged messy factors with the help of which you can judge whether this website is a legit or a scam site. So this website is protected through HTTPS protocol and SSL integration to keep the details and transactions safe, which is a good sign of this website. Now talking about the domain information, this website was first registered on 4th of March 2010 and it is going to expire on 4th of March 2022, which means it is a very old website and hence it can't be trusted. So now if you want to know about their About Us details, go to the About Us page section to check it. So here they provided some details. But when it comes to their About Us details, they haven't given their business establishment here or about their founder identity. But they have given some details about their brand, so you can check this out. So next, if you want to know about the contact details, so in the main homepage, you will find out that they have given their few contact details in the main homepage. If you scroll it down, but they haven't provided their full contact details. For that, you have to go to the general information. So here they've given the toll-free number, and if you scroll it down, here also they've given the email address. Also, the email address name does match the domain name, which is a positive sign of this website. Now, if you want to know about their social media presence, well, this website does have social media presence. It has got social media presence on Instagram, and the amount of followers is over 7,000. So now, if you want to know about their return and refund policy, go to the returns and exchange page section. Here they have given it, but as you can see, they haven't given their exact return timing. They've only mentioned that if the product does not meet your expectations, simply return it to them. And about the refund, they have said that. So they mentioned that they will credit your original form of payment or a gift card will be issued via email. So guys, please do comment about your experience in return or refund of the product. For return or refund issues, check our description area. There you will find the link through which you can solve your money issues. Now talking about the Carbon 2 Cobalt reviews, we have found some reviews with a 2.41 rating and there are mixed reviews. And the TrustSnake score of this website is 94% and the business trust ranking is 80.6%, which is very good. And the content quality also seems fine. So guys, in the conclusion of the Carbon 2 Cobalt reviews, this website appears to be a legit website. This website is quite old, it has got reviews and social media presence. Also, they have given their contact details and the trust score is very good. So it is a legit website. But we also recommend you to make a right decision after exploring well. So guys, if this review is helpful for you, then please do comment your thoughts about this video. We are always active in answering your comments. So do like, share and subscribe to our channel. And have a nice day.